Like 15 seconds, damn, man.
Dang.
Oh yeah? Top time.
That thing's got to be so much fun to drive. Good Lord.
Those open wheels at the first were crazy.
One of them sound like it has a rotary.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, right?
I haven't looked, but
Do you smell them when they go by?
dude, I'm telling you,
They don't do any truck lanes
your
here. They
walk
should do a
at the
truck lane.
beginning. Just get like a 150 snap and a map.
Crazy.
That I can have the picture of the boards.
Oh, he's coming in real hot.
It doesn't translate very well.
Surprisingly accurate.
That thing sounds crazy. Oh, watch out for the Tesla. You can't hear those suckers coming. Oh, got it going.
It might still be there. Wait. Might still be
Oh no, that's direction calm.
Oh, did they just straight up take the cone?
No, I don't see one.
Hold the umbrella up higher so not coming off half the doors. Yeah, I think so. No wonder you didn't think it moved.
Jerry loves driving over the phone. I wouldn't be surprised next time he's driving.
And it's gonna be, things gonna be flying by.